If you need to export a diagram from Lucidchart, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps so you can save your work in the format you need. Whether you want a PDF for sharing, a PNG for presentations, a JPEG for quick images, or even SVG or Visio depending on your plan, the process is simple once you know where to look. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Lucidchart account and open the diagram you want to export. Make sure you're inside the correct file before continuing, especially if you have multiple diagrams saved in your workspace. Once your diagram is open, look toward the top menu and find the three dots icon. This is usually where Lucidchart keeps extra actions and file options. Click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Export. This opens the export settings for your current diagram. From here, Lucidchart will show you the different file types available for download. You can pick the format that best fits what you need. If you want a document you can print or send as a file, PDF is often the best choice. If you need an image for a website, slide deck, or document, PNG or JPEG may be better. SVG is useful if you want a scalable vector file and it's available on your plan. And if you're working with another diagramming tool or need compatibility with Microsoft Visio, check whether Visio Export is available for your subscription. After selecting your file format, Lucidchart may show you additional export settings. Depending on the format, you might see options for page size, quality, or layout. Take a moment to review these settings carefully so the final export looks the way you want. If your diagram spans multiple pages or has a specific size requirement, this is the time to adjust it. Once everything looks good, click Download or Export to start the file creation process. Lucidchart will generate the file and save it to your computer. In most cases, your browser will either download it automatically or prompt you to choose a save location. After that, you can open the file, share it, print it, or upload it wherever you need. And that's all there is to it. To export a Lucidchart diagram, just open your file, click the three dots, choose Export, select your format, adjust any optional settings, and download the result. It's a simple process, but knowing these steps can save you time every time you need to share a diagram. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.